Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in algebra. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, here a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc value is given and a plus b plus c value is given, and here our question is what is the value of ab plus bc plus ca. Friends, we know the factors of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. The factors of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc are a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. It implies, friends, 175. This value is given. 175 is equal to a plus b plus c 7. 7 into. See friends, a square plus b square plus c square is equal to a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b plus c whole square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca minus 2ab minus ab minus 3ab minus 2bc minus bc minus 3bc minus 2ca minus ca minus 3ca. See friends, 725. 25 is equal to, see friends, a plus b plus c whole square. 7 square, 49 minus 3 into ab plus bc plus ca. See friends, minus 3 comes to LHS, becomes 3 into AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 49 minus 25, 24, 3 8s are 24. See friends, AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 8 friends. Thank you.